Hi friends, I am your Mahijit. Our YouTube channel name is Mahijit Making Future. Today topic is unboxing video of this thing. Now let's open this. What is inside I don't know. My daddy did purchase and give me this. What is this inside I don't know. It is came from Amazon. I'm going to open this. I am so interested. For my old science project, my father did see this one and buy this one. I open this. Now I'm so interested to see this one. Wow! The safety covers. This one Amazon that bill come. This is 357 rupees from Amazon. This link I will give in description. My daddy did purchase for this to me. And see friends, this one. This is gear motor tires. And this is 2 gear motors. And 4 battery holder. And connectors and screws and wires, some wires. And a caster wheel, it can rotate 360 direction. I put a video for caster wheel. And this is car chassis. Here we can put screw, and this is 2W car kit. And this is my father did buy and give me this. First for my school project I used this one, but this is more weight, made up of iron. For that my dad did feel and buy. Before that I used a cardboard and it is very light, not strong. For that my daddy feel and buy a car chassis like this wood, and this is so plain. Inside it is a glass. And before I used this only 10 meter TT motor gear tire, and this is so weak, it is going one side back. But now I get 65 millimeter tire and it is very weight taking. I had 2 gear motors and 2 TT motors. On caster wheel. Before using these 2 wheels, I make a caster wheel. After for my another project, I remove caster wheel. I put a video for caster wheel also, and DC motors. And this is my chassis. And inside they given one thread. I'm opening this one. See friends, what is this inside? I will tell. 4 wires for gear motors, copper wires, red, black and red, black. All screws are inside stuck. Now taking out. In my last school project, I did a project line follower, obstacle avoiding, line follower with obstacle avoiding, Wi-Fi module, and I get junior scientist award from my school certificate. And this is a 4 battery holder. Last time I purchased a 4 battery holder, but it is broken. Now I buy a new battery holder for my gear motor, Arduino, and I will do many projects for you: obstacle avoiding, line following with obstacle avoiding, and phone control. And I will do this project, and with code I will tell and I will explain how to make a code. And these are connectors of gear motor, and they are given some nuts and screws, bolts. These are bolts, and this is custom, and they are given a switch on off. This is only 5 millimeter. Now I am taking gear motors. Already having 2 gear motors. You can see here. Now I am opening this 2 gear motors. Now I am having 4 gear motors. My daddy is so lovable to me and he purchased. And see, this is so clean and it is rotating freely. You can see now attaching this tire in this. Now you can see how it is rotating. See, it is turning very fastly. Now you can see it is smoothly rotating. Here two TT motors and bow motors and a cluster wheel. It can rotate in 360 degree and it will not scratch our home tiles and all. You can see, and this is our wheel. This is our chassis. If we fix a cluster wheel at here, like this we have to fix. See, and if we fix this one at here, then the height will be not equal because it will be this much high. We have to take these 4 bolts they given here, and how to attach this I will tell to you right now. Now if fixing, we should not miss any one of the screw because all screws are important for this. We can use screwdrivers, they will not provide any screwdrivers. We have to only use by hand. And I am putting all, and I will make a project in next video with code I will explain. And this car kit is how it is and quality I will tell in next video. Using R3 board and this chassis and all, and using my laptop on PC, and I will connect in my laptop, and I will use Arduino IDE to put Arduino coding, and I will put coding in my project video, and I will pause the video and fix this one. Now the height was become equal. Now how to put here I will now tell. Now I am pausing this video and I will do. This tile I put one more screw for this equal height because this is 60 millimeter wheel. It will take more height like this. Now now it is equal, and using Arduino I will make this and I will put code for you. And when I am doing project I will tell how to fix this servo motor, ultrasonic, Arduino, battery holder and gear motor. Gear motor we have to fix here, and these are gear motor screws. And if you have any doubt, please comment it. Our comment section you can comment it. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe. You can follow this video, any other video uploaded you will get first. And share to your friends and family members. And bye, we will see you in next video. Thank you. And thanks for my lovable daddy to provide this project and buying. Thank you.